it's a special day for fans of superstar Rajinikanth as he celebrates his 75th birthday, and this year also marks the 50th year of the superstar in cinema. And here there is so much of celebration, dancing, and what we call as Palabhishekam, anointment of Rajinikanth with milk. And it's a double delight in that sense for fans of Superstar. Today also marks the special re-release of Superstar's earlier blockbuster Padayappa. And many fans look at this as a first day, first show, although this they've seen many times in the past. And how special is this day for you?
Sorry?
How special is this day for you?
Yeah, very special actually. Talavar 50th birthday. I'm very exciting to watch it after 25 years Padayappa movie. Very exciting.
What is Rajinikanth's magic that he connects with all ages?
Yeah, actually, he's one of the phenomenal, and he's one and only Talavar for this generation.
What is your favorite punch dialogue of Rajinikanth?
Huh?
Punch dialogue of Rajinikanth.
Ye wali, tani wali. I'm a big fan of RK, and also I run a startup. I give holiday today to my employees along with tickets.
Rajinikanth birthday special.
Yeah, they can enjoy, they can celebrate everything.
What's the magic that Rajinikanth is able to connect
That
with people
aura.
of all age groups?
That aura. So he's the man is holding that mass and the aura for past 50 years, and he is ruling the cinema industry actually. Okay, we love him. That's it, blindly. Thank you very much.
And his story is an inspiring story from bus conductor to superstardom.
Yeah, everyone have to take as inspiration to to get succeed like him. Okay, also I'm also like him. Without any support, I came here. Okay, I'm running my own startup. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We'll speak to more fans. What's that you like about Rajinikanth?
It's all about Rajinikanth. It's superstar, right? So nothing it's like dislike or something. It's I love Rajinikanth a lot.
You watched Padayappa?
Yes, many times, many times.
It's still special today.
Yes, very special. It's birthday, right?
I have my colleague Lata. Lata, in your view, what's that magic of Rajinikanth that works for 50 years?
Well, I think, Sam, it's his aura, his simplicity, his humility, and the fact that stardom has not changed, him over the last 50 years. He continues to remain humble and do films which provide wholesome entertainment to the audience and his fans, which is why the young and old love him so much. So I think that's what it is.
And here is a fan who has come all the way from Hyderabad. You come from Hyderabad for this?
No,
You come from Hyderabad?
I came from Hyderabad just to watch Talavar Padayappa re-release Kagabandachi. Just to watch. Me and another fan also came from Hyderabad. We are Telugu people, not Tamil identity people. Just to watch Talavar Padayappa re-release because we watched.
What's your favorite Rajinikanth punch dialogue?
My favorite Rajinikanth always நான் ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா 100 தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி அந்த மாதிரி and அதிக ஆசைப்பడే அதிக ஆவேசப்பడే మొగోడు జీవించిన చరిత్రలో లేదు.
Come this side,
So,
meet the sun this side.
yeah.
There is a plan for Rajinikanth and Kamal Haasan to come together, to team together. You looking forward to that?
Yeah, I'm very much looking forward for the movie. Always Talavar movie யாரோட பண்ணனா always eagerly waiting, and obviously with Kamal Haasan after many years, after more than 45 years, eagerly waiting for the movie to watch in theaters.
Thank you very much. I'm going to speak to this young lady here. Thank you very much. You have a nice t-shirt.
Thank you so much.
Come. Where are you from?
I'm from Raipuram.
Raipuram.
Yeah.
You're a hardcore Rajini fan?
Yeah.
What's that you love about him? Come this side.
Only Rajni. Rajni is enough. Name is enough. Only the name is enough.
And today is like a first day, first show?
Yeah.
And
I
birthday?
always used to come. Always used to come for the movie release or for my birthday. Every year I used to come.
Is your daughter also a fan? Alright, so the first show would begin at 9 o'clock. Screens across Tamil Nadu are showing this, and Rajinikanth, as usual, would be away in some other town, perhaps visiting a temple. But his daughter Saundarya has done a long interview on his Padayappa experience. That's again a huge attraction for fans this time. Parameshwar.
Just request you to speak to some of the fans who are close to you regarding what explains Rajnikant's consistent mass appeal, and I'm talking across generations. And this is despite younger stars dominating box office trends.
Some call it his style, some call it the subjects he chooses, some call it some kind of a magic that Rajinikanth enjoys, that over the last several decades he has been able to keep his audience spellbound in that sense. I'm going to put that question to Lata. What's that magic that works so well for Rajinikanth? Do you think any other star will be able to replicate this?
No, I think there's only one Rajinikanth, and the superstar who has ruled Tamil cinema for 50 years, and I don't think any star can replicate it. And as you can see from the crowds here, even after 50 years, I think he is the best, and he's known for his on-screen and off-screen personality, and I think no other star can match that.
Right. What's that you love about Rajinikanth? I'm going to ask you this. What's that you love about Rajinikanth? So, Parameshwar, it's a typical Rajini mania here. What's that you love about Rajinikanth?
Sir, right from my 3 years of age, I've been a fan of this particular person, and he's 75 today, and he's the number one superstar. He's number one in whatever field it is. At 75, being number one, standing tall, it's none other than superstar Rajinikanth.
Thank you so much. So, Parameshwar, fans can't wait to watch this, in a sense, first day for show, although it's a re-release. Padayappa.